this video, we'll be talking about wallet safety for developers. We've all heard the basic tips for wallet safety, such as storing your seed phrase offline, being aware of malicious Chrome extensions or unknown websites, and not sharing your seed phrase, and even using a cold wallet. Hopefully, these are all things that you do regularly. Doing all these things should keep your wallets and all your funds and NFTs safe, but we still see developers whose wallets get compromised, often with them having no idea how or when it happened. One reason for this occurrence is that there are developer-specific vulnerabilities, such as accidentally pushing your private key to GitHub that could lead to getting your wallet compromised. And so there is a need for developer-specific advice on how to secure your wallet that covers how to safely build and deploy dApps and goes a step further than general advice. Have you or anyone you know accidentally pushed their private keys to GitHub? If you plan to build in Web3, here are some important tips you should know. Tip 1. Have a separate wallet for development. One easy way to keep your valuables safe is to create a separate wallet or several of them for your development work, as much as you possibly can. Do not put real tokens in your dev wallet. Do all your testing and building with test tokens, and if you must use real tokens, then you should follow the advice in the next tip. Tip 2. Don't put your private keys with real money in a .m file. If you're building or deploying with real money on a mainnet, do not put your private keys in a .m file. Deploy from the command line or from an encrypted location such as Foundry or Ethers or Brownie ETH or ThirdWeb Deploy, which allow you to do this securely. Tip 3. Use .gitignore. If you decide to put your private keys in .env, make sure that you put your .env file in gitignore so you don't push them to GitHub without realizing it. I put this tip last because the other two are safer, as you could forget to drop your .env file in gitignore. Also, it's not advisable to have your passwords in plain text on your computer in case someone breaks into it. And those are our top tips for safely building and deploying in Web3. Did you find any of them helpful? Let us know what other ways you keep your wallet secure in the comment section below.